Hello everyone! Hello mga ka-freshers! It's another day and it's another journey with your teacher, Ka Freddy, at your service. Hello sa inyong lahat dyan mga ka-freshers and happy Sunday sa inyong lahat mga ka-freshers. So kung mapapansin nyo, baka nagulat kayo na ako ay nag-live ngayon. Okay? So, before anything else mga ka-freshers, yun, kamusta kayong lahat dyan? Bago tayo mag-start, okay, ng ating live kwentuhan, kung mapapansin ninyo ang aking, um, my thumbnail is all about, am I quitting vlogging? Ayan. So, pasensya na mga ka-freshers because I have not had any time, doing, my vlog, sharing my journey with you. Okay? So, yan pag-usapan natin. And of course, I'm going to give you any, updates, of course, sa ating, ayan, teka lang mga ka-freshers ha, copy natin yung link para may manood din sa atin sa ibang channel natin. Ayan. So ayan, happy Sunday ulit sa inyong lahat mga ka-freshers. So I'm just going to check ang ating Facebook group. Ayan. Baka may mga pwedeng manood. Alam niyo na, nood lang kayo. Okay? Filipino teachers. Filipino teachers in the UK. Yan. Hindi po tayo live sa aking YouTube. Okay? Live lang tayo dito sa aking Facebook channel. So, kung nasa Facebook channel po, kung nasa Facebook page ko po kayo, please follow my Facebook page, okay? Yan. So, I'm just sharing my live stream sa ating Facebook group, which is Filipino Teachers in the UK. And then, share na rin natin sa isa pang group, which is Filipino Teachers in the UK and EU. Yan. Ayan. Ay, may nag-thumbs up. Ay, may nag-thumbs up ako pala yun. Alright, mga ka-freshers, I don't know whether you are seeing this video or you are watching this video, but I hope, yeah, have a blessed Sunday sa inyong lahat mga ka-freshers. This is my first live stream episode again for the past, a month now. Mainly because I'm really busy. So most of my subscribers, ang ating mga ka-freshers, most of our ka-freshers sending me messages because I have not even replied to their queries about teaching the UK. So, yan, siguro sasagutin din natin yan sa ating vlog. Mabilis lang ito mga ka-freshers, okay? Hindi po tayo magtatagal ng an hour kwentuhan. So, if you have time now, please join me in, okay? And I'm going to answer your questions as well kung meron kayong tanong about teaching the UK. Now, most of you ask, Ka-Freddy, bakit hindi ka po nagva-vlog? Ayan. So, am I actually quitting vlogging? So, the answer is not really quitting vlogging, but maglalay down lang, mag-slow down lang muna tayo sa ating journey mga ka-freshers because this month, well, not really this month, last month mga ka-freshers, kung mapapansin nyo, nag-vlog ako nung 1st of September kasi bare months na. And then after that, biglang nawala. Maraming nangyari mga ka-freshers for the month of September. One is na syempre may family na tayo dito sa UK. Meron akong 6 years old at saka 7 years old. Well, he actually turned 8 years old last month. So 6 and 7, both boys. Ayan. So kung hindi niyo pa natatandaan mga professors is sa isa ko pang journey, okay? Nag-adapt po ako ng mga anak. Okay? So medyo makukulit ang mga bata. And then, of course, nagkaroon ng in and out kami sa hospital because of my partner. Okay? So, lahat is like a roller coaster ride for us. And, of course, it's difficult here, mga ka-freshers, because you cannot really stay, hindi katulad sa Philippines, mga ka-freshers, that you can actually stay in the hospital with your partner. kunwari nasa hospital yung kamag-anak ninyo, you can actually stay there. Dito mga ka-Fresters, medyo imposible, okay? Especially if it's NHS. So, ang nangyayari mga ka-Fresters is, ayan, ang nangyayari is, you can actually visit, then uwi ka na rin. Siyempre may mga anak kami, so pinakamahirap is yung magbantay ng mga bata. Yan. Yun ang aming naging journey almost 2 weeks. 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Oo, ganun yung nangyayari. Mahirap, may na-hospital. So, ayun, mga ka-Freshers, comment down below. What's your experience, mga ka-Freshers, yung kamag-anak ninyo na hospital? So, mahirap, mahirap. Especially may 2 kids ka, then lahat is gagawin mo. Okay? Yun. So, it's difficult for me to do to actually do a vlog or to edit videos or to do even live stream. It's just so happened, mga ka-Freshers, today, I have this opportunity to do a live stream kasi ang mga anak ko is nasa park ngayon. Okay, naglalaro. So, yun ang dahilan, mga ka-Freshers. Okay. It's really difficult, mga ka-Freshers, especially you don't have any relatives here in the UK. Yeah, wala. I don't have any relatives here in the UK. Of course, I'm really thankful. I have circle of friends who actually one there was a time who looked after my children. Ayan. I actually wish I could actually share my family pero syempre because I adopted them, I don't want to expose their features or face. So maybe in the later on my journey mai-share ko. Pero nag-start na kami mag-film pero privately para sa amin lang para makita nila pagkalaki nila, makita nila yung journey nila sa amin as a family. So, yun yung hirap. Yan. Sorry yan, magiging emotional tayo. So, I don't want to be emotional at this stage, but I just really want to share my thoughts with you. I know we always want to have positivity, as always, but of course, in our journey, there's up and down. Okay, what you have struggles, what you need to do is basically to really be motivated and push yourself na at the end of the day, kakayanin mo. So yun yung motivation ko, kakayanin. Um, I don't know whether I could actually share my house. Kung mapapansin niyo nasa kitchen lang ako kasi ang gulo-gulo ng bahay. Okay? Saturday, yon linis ng bahay. So may share ko rin sa inyo yan, maybe this month or next month, mga ka-Freshers. So please pray na saan magkaroon ng time. And then of course, ang workload natin sa school is napakadami. Yun, syempre you separate work and personal life. So which is nagagawa naman natin, mga ka-Freshers. So breathe in, breathe out. Ayan si Geraldine. Yan. Yun. Ayan. Yun, ano pa ba? Ayan, naging emotional tuloy ako. Yun, yeah, we all have struggles in life. So, yun, na-share ko lang sa inyo yung struggle ko. Pero yan, masaya naman, mga ka-Freshers, masaya. Ano pa ba? Yun yung mga nangyayari for the past, after nung month na nag-live stream ako, sabi ko nga, Merry Christmas na. And then, yun, lahat na nangyari. So, may hirap. As in, sobrang hirap. Lahat gagawin mo. Yun. Pero, yun nga, and then we are planning to have here in the UK a big celebration, like a Filipino teachers gathering here in the UK. Medyo madidelay. Ayan, shout out kay Professor Maki. Madidelay siya So sana, hopefully, I'm hoping mga ka-Francis, maayos lahat, especially yung partner ko, bumalik yung strength niya, tapos ibalik ko lahat din. Oo, yun. Share ko lang yan, ha? Kaya sa inyo mga ka-Freshers, if you struggle, be strong, okay? Prayers din, prayers. Yan, ayan. Ay, just ko share ko lang to ha. Sending prayers po, sir. Be strong. Salamat. Ayan. Praying for you po. Ay, salamat. Salamat, salamat. Ayan. Si Kuya Celso. Ayan. Kamusta Kuya Celso? Ayan, pasensya na ha. Ayan. Ayan, si Ma'am. Alam ko si Ma'am Jeanette to. Ayan, si Ma'am Jeanette. Yun. Okay. Yun yung first part. Then second part mga ka-freshers is I just want also to share with you yung mga ganap natin. Okay? Sa ating ano ba yung mga teaching updates? Okay? Mga teaching updates. One, I know there's a lot of questions. Ayan, magbabasa lang tayo mga ka-freshers ha. There's a lot of questions or queries sa akin. One is about yung work ba. May nag-invite daw sa kanila or direct hire daw ito from Rona. So she wanted to know whether it's legit. Like I said mga ka-freshers, there are things, may ginawa na akong vlog about this one. There are things that you should actually look at. One is email address. Check the domain, okay? If it's the right or correct domain. Tapos, you can also check yung license nila through company's house, okay? Which nalagay ko na yan sa aking channel. Okay? Siguro ipo-post ko na lang din dito. Tingnan natin kung makikita ko yung aking ah, sorry. Sorry, tinitingnan ko talaga yung ano ko, yung past videos ko. Ayan, legit ang ating ayan yung job scam. Ayan. So share natin dito. Okay. Share ko lang dito. Ayan. Ayan, shinare ko lang mga ka-festers ha. Yan. Uy, be strong, sir. Prayers po. Salamat, ayan. Salamat. Yun yung first question, kung legit daw ba. Please make sure, okay, check niyo yung tatlong areas na yun, mga ka-freshers. Email, domain name. So, say myspace.com. Tingnan niyo kung legit yung domain name. Also, you can actually go through the company's house, okay? Para makita ninyo kung legit ba ang job offer niyo dito sa UK. Right. There's also a question about TA. Yan. Kung sino ba to? Ah, ay, walang name. Sorry ha. So, kung mga ka-friends, if you are a TA here in the UK, it's actually good as a starting point. Okay? Look, I'm going to have a separate discussion about TA dito, pero I'm just going to give you an update. If you've been offered a job as a TA here in the UK, please do grab it. Okay, don't worry about QTS because later on you can actually apply for QTS via assessment only routes or AO. Okay. Um, Also, there are training providers, okay? Training providers. Uh, for example, TES. I'm not promoting TES here. However, TES provides like a program which is called Straight to Teaching program. Okay, so go to the TES website. I'm just going to also share this with you if you want. Tingnan natin ha, nasaan siya. straight to teaching. Ito, lalagay ko na din dito sa ating ayan, ilagay natin dito sa ating page. Ay, sa ating comment section. Okay? Straight to teaching. So, I'm not really worried. So say if you don't have any teaching qualification or you're just basically starting, I'm not really worried, mga professors. Once you've got your TA job, okay? Ayan. Oh, sorry. Ay, delete. Sorry. Ano ba to? Ayun. Yun. Nasaan na ang aking ito, dito. Ayan. Ito. Yan. Straight to teaching, okay? Straight to teaching. If you are a TA here in the UK or if you're wanting to become a teacher here, pero maliit yung chance to become a teacher, mag-start ka ng TA. If you are here in the UK, ha? Mag-start ka ng TA and then you can actually apply or your school. Kasi nakita ko tong question na to sa ating Facebook group. So I just really want to answer this question. Yes, you can start as a TA and then don't worry about your teaching qualification, okay, or your QTS, provided that you have a degree and make sure your degree is comparable to a UK degree, okay? Which I think because of K-12, yung K-12 sa ating sa Pilipinas, that could actually give you an opportunity to teach here in the UK. Okay? And then your school or your employer could actually sponsor your qualifications or your program. Okay? So I'm not really worried about that. Okay? Yan, isa yan sa mga tanong. Now, there's another question here. Okay? Si Professor Moshe Lina. Hello sir, tanong lang po, J1 teacher here in the USA and planning to apply po sa UK. Ano po bang unang dapat gawin? Direct hire po sana. English teacher po. Okay. Now, like I said, sa mga English teachers, Filipino English teachers, of course, malaki yung challenges, ha? Okay? I'm not saying that there's no opportunity, pero ang kalaban ninyo palagi is yung locals, of course, or yung native English speakers dito. Pero of course, I'm not saying and I'm not closing the doors like if there's no opportunity. There is an opportunity, of course. It's how you're going to sell yourself. Okay. I would say, okay, meron akong kakilala na nandito na siya ngayon sa UK via direct hire. So if it's direct hire, okay lang, go to the teaching teaching vacancies, okay, website. Then you can actually use that one. I'm going to post it here. Teaching vacancies. And then you can actually filter that. It's a government service website. You can actually filter that. I'm going to post it here as well. Yan. Yan. So use that one, filter it. Okay, then you can actually look for schools or schools or employees who can actually sponsor, who provide visa. Visa sponsorship. All right. So, yun yung sa mga J1 visa natin na kababayan dyan, o mga ka-friends na nasa US. Of course, you can use agencies as well. Okay. Like I said, I'm not promoting Megan here, but dahil nagkaroon kami ng, of course, I had this opportunity to have a live interview like this, mga ka-friends, kay Megan, who is actually part of Engage Education. So you can actually consider Engage Education. Of course, there are other agencies. Okay, there are other agencies. It's just that you need to look for yung parang legit agency ba. Okay? Yun. Uy, mga ka-freshers, please thumbs up. Okay? Please like my video. Right. Last. Okay. Ano pa ba ang mga tanong dito? Si Joe. Ayan. About scam again. Si Jomar. Yeah. Please, again, makikita nyo rin sa grammar, yung sentence structure niya is hindi angkop, hindi siya ano, hindi siya alam niyo may mga grammatical mistakes. So, ingat-ingat doon sa mga nag-o-offer sa inyo ng job. Okay, if you are in the Philippines or if you are our kababayan or ka-friendster sa Pilipinas o kaya sa Middle East o sa ibang lugar or ibang bansa who are wanting to become here, to become a teacher here, if you are in the USA, iba kasi eh. You can actually, if your school there um, uh, give you an opportunity to to study, okay? To study. Tapos yung equivalency is directly equivalent to QTS, mas maganda. Okay? You don't have to worry about QTS. Otherwise, of course, the main problem here is yung QTS nga, di ba? However, looking at a TA job, okay, or yung meron din tinatawag na HLTA. Tama ba ako? Baka magkamali ako ha. Mabash ako dito. HLTA. Yes, tama. Yeah. Oo. High level teaching assistant. Yun. Oo. So if you have that as well, you can actually use. You can actually use that program or qualification to become a teaching assistant here, and then move forward to a QTS. Okay. Remember, mga ka-friends, you have 4 years. If you are here as an unqualified teacher, you have 4 years to complete your teaching qualification. Okay. Or you can be a qualified teacher for 4 years, then you do your QTS. Okay, nothing to worry about it. Now, please use the TES website because they have like international programs. I know it's actually expensive. Palagi ko lang sinasabi, naku, di ba mag-ano na ngayon? Ang tawag dito? Election sa Pilipinas. Di ba? Oh, naku, marami dyan. Pwede kayong lumapit sa mga ating mga konsehal at saka mga mayora. mga tatakbo. Baka naman pwede sila mag-sponsor sa atin. Ayan. So, don't lose hope. Okay? Don't lose hope. Yun. Yun, mga ka-freshers. So, just to wrap up, mga ka-freshers, ang ating kwentuhan. Okay? I know I said it's just gonna be really small kwentuhan. Okay? Just to wrap up, I am not quitting vlogging. I'm not going to quit vlogging. It's just that I don't have time at this stage. Family first muna tayo. Pagka magkaroon ako ng opportunity to vlog, sige, magba-vlog po tayo or magla-livestream po rin tayo. And sa mga ka-freshers natin na um, uh, who's actually sending me messages about asking questions, made-delay lang po ng konti ang aking reply ha, pasensya na. Pero nagre-reply po talaga ako. Okay? I value yung questions po ninyo kasi alam ko yung journey at naranasan ko yung journey na mahirap. Okay? Up and down. Okay? Up and down. So, yun. Okay? Tapos mga ka-freshers, if you are actually new to my Facebook page, okay, I have my or if you have not seen my Facebook page, I have my Facebook page which is Journey with Freddy. Please um uh how do you call it? Follow me sa aking Facebook page. If you are not part of the Filipino teachers in the UK and EU group, please do so. May mga kababayan po tayong teachers sa EU din. Okay? So matutulungan din po tayo. If it's not the UK as as teaching, how do you call it? Yung dream na teaching country ninyo, okay? May tutulong po sa atin dito. Nandiyan po rin si Kuya Celso. Meron din po akong kakilala sa France na teacher din. So matatulungan din po nila tayo using this Facebook group, which is Filipino Teachers in the UK and EU. And if you are also part of other group, which is Filipino Teachers in the UK, ako rin po yung admin doon. Thank you again kay Mark. Kudos kay Mark. So, ang tawag dito, mag-member po kayo, okay? Mag-member po kayo. Marami din po magsasagot ng inyong mga tanong kung hindi man ako. Pero maraming salamat po. And of course, if you have not subscribed to my channel, my YouTube channel, which is Journey with Freddy, okay, I provide information about teaching in the UK, life in the UK, and of course, my journey here in the UK. So please subscribe. Please subscribe. Marami po kayo matututunan sa aking channel. Ayan. Praying for you po, Ka-Freddy. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Ito si Ka-Fred Sir natin. Journey with Freddy, marami ding independent schools, Ka-Freddy, that accept unqualified teachers regardless of the years na nandito sa UK. Like me, of course. Yes, oo, nakapagkwentuhan na kami nito. So, yes, I totally agree. Maraming ang tawag dito, maraming schools, independent schools, okay? Independent schools, mga ka-freshers yung mga private schools na they accept unqualified teachers, of course. They recognize yung teaching license ninyo sa Pilipinas. Alright, ito si Professor Maki. Ayan, God bless Fred. Ayan, andito lang kami palagi. Maraming salamat, Maki. Ayan, nag-send ako sa inyo ng message ha. Sorry sorry talaga. Pero ayan, antabayanan niyo yung mga ka-Freshers yung ating live stream. Yung big event, Filipino big event dito sa UK. Ayan. Promise yan. Promise. Yan. So sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin dito na Pinoy, ayan, na teacher, o kaya hindi man teacher, na gusto maging teacher, ayan, magsama-sama po tayo. Hindi pa natin alam kung kailan. May date na last time. Okay, may date na last time. Kaso mauudlot lang siya. Okay, madidelay. Pero, ayan, I'll try to do live stream tapos makipag-coordinate ako kay Professor Maki, ang aking producer. Ayan. O, ayan na, Maki, ha. Ayan. God bless ka, Fred. Uy, God bless. Uy, what's up ulit tayo? Ayan. Ito. God bless, Kuya Celso. God bless ka, Fred. Lisensya ka na pag di ako masyado nakaka-engage sa'yo. Alam mo na ang work natin. Yes, Kuya. Kuya, don't worry. Naintindihan ko yan, ha? Ang tawag dito. Basta may chat group po kami. May chat group po kami. So, kung hindi man ako maka-invite sa inyo, mag-message din kayo kay Professor Mertz. Pwede yan mag-invite sa inyo. Yun. Ito, ayan. Looking forward po sa meet. Ano to, malaking event, promise. Malaking event siya. As in, ayan. Ay, salamat, Maki. As in, malaking event. Promise. Ka-Professor Maki ang aking producer dito, okay, ng event na to. Gaganapin siya dito sa London. Okay? Gaganapin siya dito sa London. Further details, sasabihin namin. Sasabihin ko sa inyo. Okay? Depende yan sa aking producer. Okay? Yun. So, dire-diretso lang tayo. Okay? Like I said, maraming salamat. Antabayanan po ninyo ang aming pinakamalaking event dito sa UK na Filipino Teachers. Okay? At saka sa mga kababayan natin dyan dito sa UK. Kaya antabayanan nyo lang. Okay? So, there you have it, mga ka-freshers. I hope you enjoy. kung hindi man na-enjoy, sana ito lang, naging way ko lang to share my thoughts with you. At syempre, ang ending nito mga ka-freshers, just never stop believing, never stop dreaming mga ka-freshers. Always pray, okay? uh, God will provide everything. Ayan. And stay happy. Yan. Kailangan natin ng happy, bawal ang stress, mga ka-freshers. Okay? So, happy Sunday, October na. Ibig sabihin, ilang buwan na lang ay magpapasko na. Diyos ko, sana all. Sa mga hindi pa natin, sa mga kababayan nating uuwi na Pilipinas, sana all. Okay? So, yun. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Okay? God bless. And sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang tabayanan po ninyo ang pinakamalaking event ng mga Pinoy teachers dito sa UK. Ayan. Okay? Bibigyan ko po kayo ng date. Soon. Soon. Thank you mga ka-freshers. And again, happy October na. Okay, happy October. God bless sa inyong lahat dyan mga ka-freshers. At always remember that every day is a journey. Thank you and mabuhay!